Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bybit account securely, fast access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. Type in the Bybit website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Bybit homepage. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, open your authentication app. Retrieve your verification code from the app. Enter the verification code in the appropriate field on the login page. Once all fields are filled correctly, click on the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, check for any error messages. Ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After successful login, explore your account dashboard. For added security, consider enabling additional security features. Always log out after your session if using a shared device. This completes the steps to log into your Bybit account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.